If you're so smart, why aren't you rich, happy, fit, or fulfilled? The truth is, true intelligence goes far beyond just book smarts. In this video, we'll reveal the 15 crucial skills that truly set apart the smartest people from the rest. Prepare to be shocked by some of the surprising lessons that could transform your life. So sit back, take notes, and get ready to level up your intelligence. Subscribe now to join us on this journey. 1. Staying ahead of the curve, getting ahead. Instead of playing catch-up. Truly smart people don't just react to the present. They proactively shape their future. They understand that delayed gratification and making moves for tomorrow, not just today, is the key to getting ahead. They don't feel like their life is about to start. They realize this is it, and they're already making their mark. Successful business owner Sarah, for example, knew that to get ahead, she had to stop paying interest on her past mistakes and start investing in her future. 2. Harnessing passive income, making money while you sleep. The wealthiest people don't just trade their time for money, they build systems that generate income even when they're not working. They understand that true freedom comes from having money work for you, not the other way around. Former athlete turned entrepreneur Luke realized this when he started building an e-commerce business that continued to earn him profits, even when he wasn't actively working. 3. Finding the sweet spot, how to be happy, without life being perfect. Happiness isn't about achieving perfection. It's about aligning your reality with your expectations. Smart people know there are 2 ways to do this. Either raise your standards to meet your desires, or lower your expectations to match what you already have. Zen meditation teacher Amelia found the perfect balance, learning to appreciate the small moments of bliss in her life rather than constantly chasing lofty goals. 4. Turning work into play, finding a calling that doesn't feel like work. The most successful people have figured out how to earn a living doing something they would do for free. They understand that growth and enjoyment don't have to be mutually exclusive. Software developer Ethan, for example, makes a 6-figure income coding, but he doesn't see it as work. It's a passion project that provides him with fulfillment and freedom. 5. Living for today, not just tomorrow. Stopping the cycle of sacrifice. Too many people get stuck in the mindset of constantly sacrificing the present for a hypothetical future payoff. Smart individuals have redefined their idea of retirement. It's not about selling a company and lounging forever, but about gradually shifting the balance to enjoy more of the present without compromising the future. Architect Olivia, for instance, has structured her work and finances to allow her more freedom and leisure time today. 6. Building a support system. Surrounding yourself with the right people. True success isn't just about achieving your goals. It's about having a network of people to share it with. Smart people know the importance of cultivating meaningful relationships, whether it's through family, friends, or a community. Marketing executive David credits his close-knit group of peers for providing the emotional support and accountability he needed to reach new heights in his career. 7. Prioritizing health and wellness. Maintaining mobility and self-respect. Self-respect and physical well-being go hand in hand. Intelligent individuals understand that taking care of their body isn't just about vanity. It's about preserving their quality of life and independence. Fitness enthusiast Emily started her wellness journey not just to look good, but to ensure she could continue enjoying active hobbies and daily tasks well into her later years. 8. Overriding the negative voice, silencing the little brat in your head. We all have that inner critic telling us to take the easy way out. Smart people learn to treat that voice as a passenger, not the driver. They recognize it as a separate entity, not a reflection of their true selves. Entrepreneur Liam found that by consciously dismissing his self-doubt and pushing forward, he was able to achieve far more than he ever thought possible. 9. Becoming interesting and charismatic. Developing original thoughts and experiences. Truly fascinating people don't just regurgitate what they've heard. They have their own unique stories and perspectives to share. They understand that living an adventure-filled life is the key to becoming someone others are drawn to. Adventurous Sophia made it a point to constantly seek out new experiences, from skydiving to learning a new language, so she always had captivating tales to tell. 10. Embracing your authentic self. Letting go of the need for validation. Smart individuals don't define their self-worth by what others think of them. They've learned to be comfortable in their own skin and not crave the approval of those around them. Writer Aidan struggled for years to fit in until he realized that the people who matter most are the ones who love him for who he truly is. 11. Selling your vision, inspiring others to believe in the impossible. Achieving big dreams often requires getting others to buy into your vision, even when it's just a glimmer in your mind. Intelligent people know the power of belief, and they work tirelessly to paint a compelling picture of the future they want to create. Nonprofit founder Isabel was able to rally an entire community around her mission to build a new community center, simply by sharing her unwavering faith in its potential. 12. Finding time for yourself, reclaiming your freedom and solitude. In a world that's constantly demanding our attention, smart people know the value of carving out time for themselves. They understand that true luxury is the ability to simply be, without feeling pressured or rushed. Freelance designer Nick made it a point to schedule regular me time, whether it was a weekly yoga class or a solo weekend getaway, to recharge and reconnect with himself. 13. Nurturing intimate relationships, keeping the spark alive. Successful people know that a fulfilling personal life is just as important as a thriving career. They invest time and effort into maintaining the intimacy and companionship in their closest relationships. Married couple. Alex and Sophia make it a habit to regularly go on date nights, try new experiences together, and prioritize quality time, even amidst their busy schedules. 14. Embracing pain and suffering, developing resilience and meaning. Smart individuals understand that pain, suffering, and hard work are inevitable parts of life. Rather than trying to avoid them, they learn to accept and even harness these challenges. Motivational speaker Ava, for example, turned her personal struggles with chronic illness into the foundation for her inspiring talks about the power of perseverance. 15. Defining your ideal life, creating a roadmap to your dream existence. The most successful people don't just stumble into their dreams, they purposefully design them. They take the time to envision exactly what they want their life to look like, and then they relentlessly pursue that vision. Entrepreneur Luca, for instance, mapped out a detailed plan to start his own business, complete with specific milestones and a timeline, which allowed him to turn his vision into reality. If you're intrigued by the idea of achieving true financial freedom and living your dream life, keep watching our previous videos that tackle more surprising secrets to getting there. The path may not be easy, but the rewards are truly life-changing. Click the link in the description to subscribe and join us on this transformative journey.